Hi friends, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com. I'm popping in to give you an update on the CarryAll diaper bag tutorial I promised you last week. The tutorial has been recorded. I have spent 3 days battling iMovie, which is a software that I use on my iMac and my MacBook Pro to edit these videos. So the recorded footage was recorded at too high of a quality. And when I go in and try to edit that so that you don't have to listen to all my sniffling and audible pauses and the obvious downtime like when I'm ironing, so that I can reduce that video from 2 hours to 40 minutes for your ease in viewing, it will not export. So in a less than ideal situation, what I've done is log into a Zoom meeting and then screen share from the iMovie application and watch that whole video in its edited form. The downside to that is when you export the Zoom footage, it is inferior video quality. The audio is intact and the instruction is, of course, step by step and as good as I can possibly make it. So what I've done is put together an unlisted video link for you with this less than stellar video quality. So those of you who have been waiting so patiently are actually excited to make my CarryAll bag can go ahead and finish that project. In this week's newsletter, which was delivered to subscribers' inboxes this morning at 10 a.m., I explain what I have learned from this process, and you too might benefit from that insight. So I'm going to leave a link to the newsletter down in the comments. That is where you will also find the link to this week's tutorial. So I hope you enjoy reading about this little situation I found myself in this week. And I look forward to seeing you next week, where I will, with any good luck, avoid all these troubles. So have a beautiful week, and I'll see you in the next video.